Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about cheaters, okay? So Megan Thee Stallion dropped a new song and video today titled Cobra. Now in the song, she's literally bearing her soul. She's she's shedding her old skin and becoming this new evolved person, right? Now, a lot of the comments were like, oh, she's being so vulnerable, she's speaking her truth, da 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 da, which, yes, she is, but this is not her first time rapping in this way. If you listen to most of the songs, a few of the songs on Traumatized, which was her last album, you would have heard these things being said. She talked about, you know, fake friends. She talked about being depressed. She talked about losing her parents. She talked about her mother in particular. So hearing this song, it sounds amazing, but it was really nothing new to me because I am already such a fan of hers, right? The song was amazing. I'm not discrediting or taking anything away from it. But the part that I want to talk about is the part where she mentions that she walked in on her then boyfriend, who we are all assuming to be Pardison Fontaine, aka Pardi. Where she says that she walked in, she pulled up and saw him getting head on the same side of the bed that she lays her head. It could have been just been wordplay. It might not have been literally like that. Then again, it could have been. But that's the part that I really want to touch on because she's never opened up about that breakup. I just woke up one day and the trial was over and I heard that they weren't together. Pardi came out with Jada Kingdom. You know, Jada's my girl, love her to pieces. And then there was a picture of Megan and somebody else holding hands. I don't know if he's a football player, basketball player, whoever he is, but he's tall and chocolate. You know, clearly sis has a type. Well, maybe not, because we're not talking about Tori. All right, anyways, so that's the part that I wanted to talk about. A lot of the comments were like, oh my gosh, how can you cheat on Megan? Who cheats on Megan? Like, what type of person cheats on Megan? This, that, and the third, blah, blah, making it seem like Megan is somehow taken out of the equation of being cheated on, you know? So and I noticed that with a lot of other people as well. Like if somebody famous, somebody pretty, somebody hot, a bad bee, you know, a bad chick, whatever, if it comes out that they got cheated on, oh my gosh, how is this possible? It's the end of the world, woe is me type of energy. And this video, I just want to come on here and say that when it comes to being cheated on, nobody is, I can't find the word, nobody is inept to be cheated on. Nobody is. This is why I need a partner to bounce words off of, because I cannot find the word. When it comes to cheating, if a person decides to cheat or chooses to cheat, they're going to cheat. Nothing you do, nothing you say, nothing you possess, nothing you give them is going to stop them from cheating. They might not do it for a while, but if somebody wants to cheat, they're going to cheat. Because there are lots of people who are in unhappy relationships, who are unsatisfied, who still remain faithful within that relationship. There are some people who are completely happy, satisfied sexually, get 3 meals cooked every day, get their feet rubbed, get this sucked and that licked. Their parents love them, friends love them, they have kids together, and they still get cheated on, or they still go out and cheat. Like, no one is exempt. That's the word I'm looking for. Nobody is exempt from being cheated on. Nobody is above the rule or above the standard of cheating unless you make that rule for yourself and try to abide by it. Another thing that I always say is that nobody belongs to anybody. Like, we don't own, belong is the wrong word, we don't own anybody. And if somebody feels like they can find better somewhere else, they should get up and go find that somewhere else. Talk to your partner, let them know how you are feeling, what it is that you feel like you're lacking. Because when it comes to cheating, right, it's more than just you walk outside and trip and you cheat. That's not how it works. There has to have been some sort of communication at some point. Nobody is just accidentally cheating, right? Nobody is, yeah, that's just not how it works. There has to be some form of, even if it's for like 5-10 minutes, you know exactly what it is you're doing. You know exactly what it is you are doing, because it's going to take more than a 5-minute conversation for a cheating to happen. Even if you are buying sex from somebody, it's more than a 5-minute conversation, because you have to discuss payments, you have to discuss where it's going to happen, you have to actually go to the location for it to happen. While all this happening, the wheels in your head should be turning and be like, okay, I know what I'm doing. I'm making this conscious decision to do this. So accidentally cheating is not a thing, and do not feel like anyone is exempt to being cheated on or exempt from being cheated on. Megan Thee Stallion is no exception to the rule. I love her down. Love her down. Love the way she raps. Love what she represents. Love just her whole persona. I love her to pieces. But no one is exempt from cheating. And then Pardi, oh my god, the death threats. Listen to me, my Twitter was in shambles this morning when I checked it. Like, she broke the internet. She broke the internet today. But that's all I wanted to come on here and say, because if somebody wants to do something, they are going to do it, and there's nothing that you can do to stop it from happening. Point blank. No matter what me, she, he, anybody tell you, if somebody wants to cheat, they're going to cheat. There's nothing you can do to stop somebody from cheating. Nothing. Literally. Like, you can, if you know you're doing something wrong and you choose to fix it and change that, great. And if they then decide not to cheat, that's still their decision. They still chose whether or not to go out and do it. So it's yeah. At the end of the day, you just have to make sure that you are happy and you are fulfilled. My battery is dead. It's a good thing I finished the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.